for commenting and liking them too. So today I'm going to bring a breakfast recipe for all of you. It's a very easy breakfast recipe and it can be prepared in just 3 minutes. Yes, it's just 3 minutes. Just keep all the ingredients ready one night before so that your sandwiches are just easy to make early morning. So it's a very healthy sandwich which I'm going to make, but it's very tastier too. So it will be liked by your kids, it will be liked by people like me who like tadka matka flavor. It's a Bombay Bombard masala sandwich. Let's get started. These are the ingredients to make a Bombay masala chatka bhara sandwich. Let's get started. Let me quickly tell you the ingredients which I'm going to use in this. These are 2 slices of bread. I have removed the sides of it. So these are 4 slices of paneer, 2 almonds, some tomato sauce, some green chutney that's made of coriander, fresh coriander and mint leaves, some sliced onions and some of the keera. Plus there is some butter I'm taking. This is some salt to taste. This is pepper powder and this is some fruit jam which is only available in Himalayan markets. So once during my trip to Kasauli I bought this jam and it's really very tasty and yummy without any added flavors. So it's just purely fruit. So I'll just tell you quickly how to make these sandwiches. Just open the slice of the bread and use a spoon to spread your chutney evenly onto your sandwich. So this chutney is made of coriander leaves and mint leaves, some garlic cloves, some of the amchur powder and of course salt and little bit of green chilies. So this is done. Quickly add your tomato sauce over the other part, just half of it, and then pour your butter. And once you're doing this, because it can move towards the sides, just spread it evenly. So you can apply wholesale butter too, up to you, up to your taste. So you can mix it. This is experiment, it really works very well. Try it out. Okay. So just add your sliced onion to one side and add your sliced keera other side, one slice and then the second. This is paneer. You can also use cheese strands. Okay, so this is how just decorate it with the help of your tomato sauce. So 2 of them are ready. This is just one sandwich. Carefully, with the help of your hands, just flip it over the other part and press it like this. Yeah. Now what I need to do is I need to evenly spread some butter. Put some more. See, I still feel like putting more towards the sides so that it tastes too yummy. Okay, so carefully just slice it from between. The 2 slices are separated. Just push it little bit with the help of your knife and then carefully divide it into 2 parts like this, and then you need to apply same thing for the second one. Take a sharp knife. Okay, so you need to decorate now. So this is the almond. That ways you can use almonds. Now is the time to apply some fresh fruit jam over my chatpata sandwich. And this is the tomato sauce. And presentation wise, 4 different kinds of sandwiches are made. Trust me, it will be liked by the kids. This is the quickest recipe you can make out and decorate it if you are serving on your table with some slices of onion and kheera that we have put. And your chatpata Bombay masala sandwich is ready.